Welcome to HackZA, where we dive into the depths of cybersecurity. Today, I'm going to share an educational video on a currently working exploit that can bypass OTPs and facilitate unauthorized transactions. This content is strictly for educational purposes to highlight vulnerabilities in current systems and is not intended for malicious use. Before we proceed, I want to emphasize that this video complies with YouTube's policies and community guidelines. We do not endorse or promote illegal activities. Please use this information responsibly. In this demonstration, we'll explore how an OTP bypass can be used to transfer money from cards, redirect it to a merchant, convert it into USDC, and finally change it to M-Pesa money. This is purely to demonstrate the importance of securing your systems against such vulnerabilities. Here's the step-by-step process. 1. Bypassing OTP authentication. The exploit targets a weakness in the OTP delivery system, enabling unauthorized access to the cardholder's account. 2. Redirecting funds. Once access is gained, the funds are transferred to a registered merchant account. Converting the money into a less traceable format. 3. Conversion to USDC. The merchant processes the transaction, converting the funds into USDC.
Game. 3 days and boom, planned it to a T. Celebrated hard, just Quizzy and me. Woke up next morning, cops at our door. Betrayed by a stranger, couldn't ask for more. They took everything, even my ride. That BMW X5, it was our pride. 88, 100 MCN to get it out. We scraped and saved, never had a doubt. No more thoughts, take me Quizzy. Through the chaos, through the crazy. We waited, friends never came. Now we're free in our own game. That traitor down, made him pay. Kidnapped his ass, took him far away. With every striking shot, asked him why. Justice for our pain, now he's gotta die. Quizzy pulled the trigger, tears. I'm on the streets, every day. Let's go. Ain't no going at the taking fun. We made our stand, JP and Quizzy got the master plan. Pull a job and boom for a day, 2 million ran. But our joy was cut short by a fucking hand. 3 years in that shithole, waiting on friends. They never came through, left us defend. We hustled hard, saved every fucking cent. Finally got the cash and the money we spent. No more thoughts, take me Quizzy. Through the chaos, through the crazy. We waited, friends never came. Now we're free in our own game. 3 days and boom, planned it to a T. Celebrated hard, just Quizzy and me. Woke up next morning, cops at our door. Betrayed by a stranger, couldn't ask for more. They took everything.
Sorry, it's DJ.
Whoa. So
stable cryptocurrency. 4. Final transfer to M-Pesa. The USDC is then converted to M-Pesa money, leveraging the relatively low traceability of these transactions, making the funds usable in everyday activities without raising suspicion. This video is for educational purposes only and aims to inform security professionals about potential vulnerabilities. Engaging in such activities is illegal and unethical. We do not condone or encourage illegal activities. Our goal is to help you understand these threats so you can better protect your systems. This content complies with YouTube's policies and community guidelines. If you're a security professional, take this as a call to action to secure your systems. If you're here to learn more about cybersecurity, subscribe to HackZA for more insights. Remember, knowledge is power, and with great power comes great responsibility. Thanks for watching, HackZA community. Stay secure, stay ethical, and keep learning.